Are you a roofer who wants to use drones but simply don't know where to begin? Or maybe you have used drones, but the quality just wasn't to the level you expected. Or maybe you're spending a lot of money subcontracting to a pilot and want to bring that program in-house. No matter where you fall on this list, you definitely don't want to go anywhere. My name is Chris Guinera, and I am the drone instructor at Francis Tuttle Institute of Technology in Oklahoma City. We have created a total package solution for a roofing company to go from either 0 to 1 or 1 to 100, completely up to them and customizable to what their needs are. So the first thing I want to talk about is, why is this program even needed in the first place? From working with over 50 roofing companies across the country, we have found that most roofers are either using the wrong equipment, the wrong software, or got the wrong training, and most likely a combination of all three. In order to solve this problem, we went out there and found the best software, equipment, and training and put it into a single drone-in-the-box solution for whatever size your roofing company is at. Whether you already have the right equipment and simply just want a taste of the best software and processing in the entire industry, or you're a smaller company who already knows drones are the right solution, you just need the right training, software, and equipment to get started, or you're a larger roofer who really wants to tackle the infrared and thermal side along with maybe some solar capabilities. The point is, we have a solution no matter where you're at in your journey. Now let's talk about the different products, services, and softwares we have in this bundle. If you've been following my other videos, you already know the Mavic 3 Enterprise is the best drone in the roofing industry, bar none. It has an incredibly large 4/3 CMOS sensor and a 56x zoom camera, so you can actually read serial numbers off of HVAC units and patent numbers off of vents. This drone has incredible stability as well as omnidirectional sensors to make sure you don't hit anything. There is absolutely no equivalent in the market to this drone, and if you're not using this one, you are absolutely selling yourself short on the capabilities. Another video I did on this channel has 20,000 views where I showcase the capabilities of that drone in the roofing industry. Just go watch the video. The images will speak for themselves. If you're interested in thermal and specifically the moisture detection for commercial properties, the Mavic 3 Thermal is one of the best drones in the industry and is included in our top-end package. Now, in order to fly these drones, you are required by the FAA to have a Part 107 license. Pilot Institute is at your own pace and something I highly recommend to become legally compliant. Quick side note, if you are a roofer and you're watching this video, you do need a license, no matter what those keyboard warriors on Level the Playing Field are telling you. If you want to learn more, I have a video above my head. So now that you're legally compliant, you still need to understand how to operate that drone in the roofing industry. And once again, we already have that totally built out for you. Either myself or one of my other instructors will go to your location and teach you and your team how to fly drones specifically for this industry. A tool is just a tool unless you know how to use it. Francis Tuttle is a top-tier institute, so you already know you're going to get that high quality. Now, when it comes to software, RoofHawk's artificial intelligence storm detection software is the best in the industry. My team has generated countless reports, and we have significant victories for roofing companies and homeowners alike. They have a brand new version being released soon, and I've had the opportunity to play with it. It's impressive, and I think it's going to cause some serious waves in this industry. When it comes to taking your drone program to that next level, that's where my company, Blue Falcon Aerial, steps in and really shines. We're going to give you a large credit, and you can do a la carte any of the services that we offer. Every roofing company is very different, and they all have unique challenges. So instead of us telling you what we're going to offer, you're going to tell us what you want. Whether that be additional manning right after storms when you need it most, us to generate highly accurate 3D models and measurements, or maybe you want to take your solar program to the next level with a solar irradiance 3D view shed. This allows you to optimize your production in solar PV design. We can also do training, consultations, or anything customized because we have all those resources in-house. The best part about our company is we don't work with anyone but roofing companies, so we actually understand the problems and challenges you're facing. Now, the last thing we're including in the bundle is a membership to the Oklahoma Roofing Contractor Association, who is on the front lines and advocating for the ethical and honest roofing contractors across the state. Now, obviously, if you're not in Oklahoma, I'll just throw a little extra onto the Blue Falcon Aerial service package. Like I said, we broke this down into 3 different bundles depending upon what you actually want for your company. Our first bundle is called Testing the Waters because all we're doing is give you a taste before you actually dive in. You're able to get $2,000 worth of Roof Hawk and Blue Falcon Aerial services for only $1,000. So you're getting it half off. This also includes a 1-hour consultation with a drone expert to discuss your challenges with your program. And if you decide to upgrade to the next package within 30 days, we will credit $1,000 to the next package. Our second package, called the Storm Starter Pack, is designed for a smaller roofing company who wants to start getting to that next level. It's going to include 1 day of in-person training wherever you're at in the country by Francis Tuttle, 1 Pilot Institute account to get certificated, 1 Mavic 3 Enterprise drone with 3 additional batteries to make sure you don't run out of charge, 1 year of DJI Shield protection just in case you accidentally crash, 250 Roof Hawk reports, $7,500 worth of Blue Falcon Aerial services, 3 hours of check-in calls with Blue Falcon Aerial to make sure everything's on track, as well as that 1-year membership to Oklahoma Roofing Contractor Association. $19,900 worth of value for $15,000 flat. Now, if you're a larger roofing company, or you do commercial work specifically, we built this package designed to really take your thermal program to the next level. This is called our Pro Storm Readiness Package. Due to the additional complexity, we're going to be doing 5 days of training at your roofing company. This can be either in person, group setting, or just riding along with you and helping you completing your own projects. You'll be receiving 2 Mavic 3 Enterprise drones and 1 Mavic 3 thermal drone. We're also going to include 9 additional batteries to make sure you don't have any issue while you're in the field. Now, in order to get your pilot's license, we're going to be including 2 packages of the Pilot Institute training program, 500 Roof Hawk reports, so you can have one for each one of your inspections, $25,000 worth of Blue Falcon Aerial services, 10 hours of check-in calls to make sure everything's still on track after we did leave your location, and 1-year membership to Oklahoma Roofing Contractor Association. This is a $62,800 value, and we're doing it for $50,000. Now, due to us having to have one of our trained instructors stay at your location for an entire week, we are limiting this to only 10 possible bundles available at this time. So whether you just want to taste this and see if this is something you should be doing, or you want to dive all in and go head first, we can support it either way. We have taken all of the guesswork out of this process and equipped you with everything you need to have a state-of-the-art drone program in-house. With these bundles, we're hoping to make the roofing industry more efficient, safer, and ultimately make you more money. Reach out today so we can get to work.